Magic alley, that's me, I'm not a scally or a Sally, but magic alley. And I like drinking tea, yes I do, yes I do, yes I do, yes I do. Everybody come in! A magic alley and I'm here to pay. It's time for magic, it's time to play. We can have such fun this party. Come and clap your hands and you will see magic alley. Magic alley, magic alley. Magic alley, that's me, I'm not a Sally or a Sally, but magic alley. And I like drinking tea, yes I do, yes I do, yes I do, yes I do. Magic alley, that's me.
Hello everybody, I'm Magic alley. Turn the music off, sorry about that. Sorry about that. I think I'll have to do something with that, boys and girls. There we have to sit down. Oh, that's great to see you all. Put your hands up if you're here. Let's show you here. Put your hands right up, hand down, hand up, hand down, hand up and down. Right, and put your hand up again if you're not here this time. That's who's not here. You are there, I can see you, silly sausage. It's great to see you all. Now we're here for a very special occasion. It's someone's birthday. Is it your birthday, madam? Sorry, sir.
Bye.
Is it it's your birthday?
Yeah.
It isn't, I don't believe you. Hello. I bet it's that chair's birthday. Hello, happy birthday, chair. No, it is, I think so. Okay, are you the birthday boy that I've heard about? What's your name now? I'm going to think. Jake. Is your Jake? Are you called Jake?